Hello. How would you fancy learning how to make some more money? Okay, here we go. I'm going to share with you a little bit of information, such as what about successful innovation? Yeah, it's a pretty picture, isn't it? The system I use called Successful Innovation. It's a clean website offering 9 investment plans. I've chosen one where it's actually called 600% plan over a 10-day cycle, but you don't get 600% over what you put in unless you put in the maximum. I put in $50. I thought that would be a reasonable amount to see if I could make some interest in the next couple of weeks, months, or whatever. And so I didn't have £100,000 to put in. Otherwise, I'd have got £600,000 return within 10 days. No, I put $50 in, and this is what I got. Here's the 10 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got $85 for $50. Okay. So I thought, well, that's pretty good. I'll do it again. So I put the $85 into the next cycle, and here we are, 10 days, and I got 144, and so on. Well, you can see what happens. If you transfer further up here, look, to the top right-hand corner, get rid of my picture, put it down there. But look at this summary of potential. There is potential. I'm not saying that you will get this, but it's up to you. If you don't do it, you won't get it. If you do it, you might get it. If you concentrate and you do the same as I do, you will get it. There's your 85 for the first one. That's the cycles. That's the second one. There's the third one. Well, look, each one of these are 10 days. Not bad, is it? After 4 of them, you got $417. And you put 50 in. That's pretty good. So if you were to keep going, and it's only 10 days, there's 10 of them, well, you got $10,000. Now, by anyone's rating, that's fantastic. I'm not going to go down here because it depends what you do. If you don't take any money out, you're not going to be getting this amount in your pocket, are you? But if you do take it all out, you won't get it building up. If you take some out and you leave some in, shall we say 50-50, you're going to it'll take twice as long to get this in your pocket. Right. Here we go. £50,000 or £49,522 and a few pence, a few cents, after 13 or 130 days. Each one is 10 days, remember? So 130 days, well, that's about 4 months. For goodness sake, that's fantastic. I hope you're taking notice now. I've even got the date on here, look, so that you can see what today's date is. It's the 26th today. So here's the 26th. This is what I'm doing. Well, that blue line, by the way, will be coming down today. In fact, why don't I update it now while you're here? So I'll put no fill on that one. And the 26th, this is where I am. I'll put a colored thing on there. What color should we have? A little brown one. There you are. There you are. That's today's date then. And really, having invested $50, I've got 59 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. There you are, the 7 days. So I've got more back than I put in after the first week. Well, there we are. So if you don't mind sharing $50 for a week, you're going to get profit. And you know the rest of the story. 85 after 10 days, 144 after 20 days, and so on over here. It's a fantastic story, look. And so every 10 days, you just have to look at this and basically take it from there and put it in there. So you take it out or you reinvest with another cycle. That's all you do. After 10 days, you watch it, take it out, put it in there, and build another 10 days. And that's how you grow. And you'll notice it gets bigger and bigger and bigger, not just progressively, but it also gets exponentially bigger. The rate of increase gets bigger as you go by. So you can see here after how many of these? After about 10 of them, about 10 here. Look, you got $5 grand. You've got more than that. Yeah, $5 grand. 10 grand, rather. 10,000. Look, 10 cycles, 100 days, have produced about $10,000. Pretty good. All right, I'm going to shut up. Let me do something. I'll stop sharing and well, how about, wait a minute, I'll stop sharing. I'll come back to you. And now I'm going to stop recording. So thanks for watching.